Hello. Nice.
We are doing our restaurant day, and the students are going to have a mock restaurant in the classroom where they're going to practice ordering from a menu, paying for the items, and showing proper table manners that we've been practicing in social skills. Oh, the company present. Excellent. Awesome. Friends, you are going to be working with our server, Miss Kim.
You want me to push you out? Okay.
The various friends who work with them on our C5 team are going to be the servers.
What would you like to drink? You said juice?
Cost $5.
Why don't we tell Mrs. Archer how much are the fries?
Fries are...
You'll get $9.
Want some ketchup? You want pizza?
And then in future practices, they're going to get a turn to be servers and work in the kitchen and things like that to practice different career options going forward.
10. Oh, your money.